Yo, guys, we are conducting a inspection of air conditioning blower. So the problem is there is a vibration in a blower while in its running condition. So as I can see, there is a low, there is a low dust or minimal dust in a blower that causes of vibration. Also, the bolt is not inserted, or the screw, as you can see, the screw are missing, so that is the cause of vibration and noise during the running of the blower. This is the most important message to my fellow technician. You must check the unit before you leave after you're conducting a preventive maintenance cleaning for this unit, because the most important is to check before you leave, to tighten all the screw and to prevent the vibration of the unit while it is running. So that's all. This is the most important thing to check before you leave. This is the end of my inspection and my job. Thank you. Thank you for watching.